Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time.
Hi guys, welcome to POMCLOSET. In this video I'm going to explain how I did this top. It's like a very colorful top which I have used many leftover yarn. To do this top, it's actually very easy. First of all, you need to go back to the video of how I did the blue top. It's a wrapping top, the crisscross one, which I have done this part here. For this video I'm going to explain how I did these sleeves here. Firstly, you need to reconnecting the yarn under the armpit. So you can see I have like lots of double crochet rows. Started from one of the double crochet rows and then change 3 and then do the double crochets on the same row, same double crochet. So that means on each of the double crochet rows you will have 2 double crochets on each of them. So here it's how I did it. Keep repeating this until you get around the armhole, and then slip stitch on the 3rd chain to complete row 1. For row 2 I have decided to go for the mesh one, but if you want to do only the double crochet like this part here, feel free to do so. I've done the double crochet rows and then the mesh rows. For the mesh row, it's actually very easy. So after you complete this row, just chain 4, turn the work, skip 1 stitch, and the next stitch you just do the double crochets, and then you chain 1, skip 1 chain, do the double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 double crochet. Repeat these until you get around this row, and then slip stitch on the 3rd chain to complete the 2nd row. The 3rd row, chain 3, the next stitch is double crochet until you get to the last stitch, and then slip stitch on the 3rd chain to complete the 3rd row. After that you just keep swapping between the mesh row, the double crochet row, the mesh row, the double crochet rows. So I have like 1 mesh, 2, 3, 4, 5 mesh rows, and then I have like double crochet rows for like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 rows after double crochets, and then I have the mesh 1, 2, 3, 4, and then double crochet rows for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. So the length of this part here I have around 19 inches. If you want it shorter, you can reduce the rows. So this is how I did this top. It's actually very easy, very simple. So first of all, you need to complete these like top section and then adding the sleeve. And this video is only adding sleeves. And after you've done this side, just repeat the other side. If you want to do only one color, feel free to do so. I have so many leftover yarn. It's kind of like spring, summer vibe. Any questions, please do not hesitate to write it down on the comment section. Tag me on Instagram. I would love to see what you've done. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.